Hey guys, welcome back to your best lessons. So today's video lesson we'll be doing unison. Okay, how to do it, when to do it. Okay, so if you're interested, I recommend you watch the video to the end. Maybe you might not understand what that is. It is maybe when your singer is singing a certain note, like 3 notes, let's say for example do re mi, and you the bass line, you have to play the do re mi in a very spicy way, you understand? So you are to follow the voice notes of the singer. Okay, so if you're interested and you want to groove that kind of groove, just watch this lesson. Okay, I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you want to take your bass play to the next level, or you want to learn how to play bass from scratch, you'll see my link in the comment section below. So guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. What you need to put in mind is it is not every note that a singer sings you have to play that same note along. It's just, let's say, 10% of it. Simple song which many of you know. If you don't know the song, I think I've done this lesson before. I'll try and link it over here. You click on the link and maybe you just want to learn this before you go to the other video. Okay. Oh, is Ebube 173. You have your 4 sharp, your 5 sharp, and your 6. That is the bass line to it. Okay, so what is the voice note to that? Oh, is it? So this is what you'll be playing. So I think this part alone have given you allowance to use the bass line to go with the voice note, or you can just play the bass line, you understand? Okay, I did the voice note over here. Then I applied a little fill that will take me to my 3, you understand? Okay, so if you are singing a song and you know that you have to if you apply a unison bass line over there and you know it will be okay for you, just try and do it. But when you do it, don't get stuck. Okay, so something like this, then you don't know what to do again. From there, continue with the bass line. So when you are on your 1, that is to your 3. The real bass line is to your 3, because if you are playing the real bass line 6 to your 3, then to your 4, and to your 1, you understand? Okay, so this is why I recommend that when you are to sing a song, or when you come up with any song, first learn the note. First learn how to play the notes on the bass, just like this, so that when you are to use them, you don't miss a note, you understand? So 1 7 3 6 7 1. Then I applied a fill over it, you understand? Okay, so you see how I applied it? I did it with the voice note, and I was able to end well by doing a fill to my 3. Okay, but if you don't know of any fill to play, just go straight forward with your bass line. That will be taking me to my 3. So if I do, you understand? Okay, instead of me being stuck here and don't know what to do, just go to the bass line straightforward. Don't continue singing with the note. What you have done here, these 2 or 3 notes you have just played, it's okay, you understand? Then continue with the bass line and move forward. Now when the singer is to sing that part again, do not use the bass line to play along with that voice note. Okay, move on. You understand? So you have to do it once on that portion, that side alone, you understand? 1 7 3 6 7 1. So you can learn this. Let me just teach you. 6 7 6 5 3 1. Then your 3. It took me to my 3. You understand? Then 4 4 4 4 1 1. Is it? Then you continue with the bass line. Then 3 4 4 4 4 1 1. Okay, so you see that this side too, it has given you the allowance to use the bass note to it, so that you can match with the voice. Da 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 da. So I did that on 1 2 3 2 3 4 3 4 5. Then I'm done. I can still continue. No. 1 2 3 2 3 4 3 4 5. da 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 da. This side alone, you can just play the bass line. Da 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 da. It's just simple. Your 1, 2, 3, 4, then to your 5. Da 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 da. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You see, so now me doing the unison on the bass line, I am able to apply the fill so that it will be like the whole thing I'm playing a fill, or let's say I'm playing a lick or something else. You understand? So when you match your bass line to the voice, to my 6, then I play my 3 as normal. Remember, when you have to sing it the second time, do not do any unison on that. Okay, so I hope you have gotten it. So how you can apply that? First thing, go along, then apply your bass line. Okay, and I hope throughout this lesson you are seeing where to apply the unison bass line to it. Okay, and also at the ending, when a song is to end, I normally do that. When a song is ending, I try to match my bass line to the voice. So let's say we are ending the song. You can do it here. Okay, it only depends on how the tone is going to sound. You see, I did on my 4, 3, 2. I did a check over here, 1, 1. If you're that fast, you can move to your 4 here on your higher note, and you come back to your bass, to the lower note. You understand? I hope you have gotten that. Okay, so when you get a simple song like "We give you glory, Lord, as we honor you. We give you glory, Lord, as we honor you." You see, we give you glory, Lord. So the last note, you can do the shake. As we honor you, you are wonderful, you are worthy, oh Lord, you are wonderful, you are worthy, oh Lord. You see, at the ending, 2, 3, 1, 7, 1, 2, 2, 1, and that's it. You understand? Okay, so when you learn the song note on bass, how to apply them, just sing along with the bass. When you see you're getting stuck, continue with the song bass line. You understand? Also, try to apply the bass line matching the song at the end of the song. You understand? Okay, so when the song is ending, so when you use a higher note to that, make sure that after playing the higher note, make sure you hit your heavy bass, so that it won't be like you're playing higher notes on that. You understand? Okay, you understand? Okay, if you're totally a beginner, try to learn every song bass. Not, I won't say the full song on bass, but some place that you see that is going to interest you, learn that part alone and see what you can do with it, and try to use it in the song. You understand? Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.